Good morning. Good morning. Happy pre-turkey day. Why is this not saving? Done, save. Okay, cool. Exactly. We found the issue. All right. All right. Oh, let me share this. Put it in the other group. All right. I can make this a little smaller. Well, that's fine. You can see this, right? All right, cool. And Q is falling off the face of the earth. Not to scare anyone. All right, all right. 9:17, 13 minutes till the market opens. We'll see. We're obviously in a downtrend for the past few days. These are the swing zones over here. We're already well below them. ES actually came back and touched it in the last 30 minutes, which was a pretty cool entry, that 46.71. Oh, actually, 46.79. But the 46.71 was from yesterday, and it was actually holding there for a bit. Is that where it is now? No, 64. All right. I'm so excited for Thanksgiving tomorrow. Hang out with family, relax. All right, so I have, and I'm probably going to turn off copper in a second. I think it only goes till, oh no, it goes to 9:30. So I'm going to wait till 9:30. Yeah, it goes to 9:30. We'll see if we get anything here. Probably not. YM is already below NQ 10 minute, well below. And then the range, no trades from overnight, even though this would have been nice. Like, look at this move down and then the retest and then the drop. But we didn't have a confirmation candle, so. Because easily could have gotten in here. 88. Oh yeah, 100 points. That would have worked. right, sorry. I have a lot of people DMing me questions this morning. And so I'm talking to like 3 different people right now. All right, no more typing. No more typing. I need to put an announcement. I need, oh, you know what I think I can do? I think I can put, how can I do that? I can put like, I'm away or something. Where is that? Damn it. Of course, now when I want it, I can't find it. I think maybe it'll be easier to do on my phone. Like, everyone's DMing me this morning, and it's like, guys, it's 9:24. The market is about to open. I don't know. Now I can't figure it out. You? Oh, what's your status? Here we go. Pause notifications. In a meeting. Can I make a new one? There we go. Status. In a meeting. Means don't DM me. All right. It's 9:26. The market opens in 4 minutes. Any other time, I'm fine with DMs. When I'm sleeping, obviously I can't answer DMs. And when I'm doing the stream, I really just don't like to. I wonder, I guess it's not, never mind. I was just thinking about something about, oh, look at NQ bouncing off of this level here. Okay, so the market opens in 4 minutes. Let's talk about what might happen today. So again, we're below these zones here, we're below the central pivots. Aw, thanks, Enzo. You're so sweet. You are so sweet. Happy Thanksgiving to you too, Enzo. I hope you have a nice holiday. So currently I have copper running, YM, NQ, and then I have AMD on for the stocks. Let me shut this. They're still doing construction outside. Put my little neon lights on. Alright, so today is the last day I'm trading for the week. I'm not trading. Obviously, the markets are closed tomorrow, but markets are open on Friday for a half day. I'm not trading on Friday. The volume's going to be really low, so don't want to risk it. But yeah, hopefully we get some nice trades today. We had a loss on the super solid NQ 20-minute yesterday, which is to be expected. It has one loss like every 30 days. I think the last one was maybe like 20 days ago, but let's see. It's a 93% win rate over 75 days. When was the last loss? There was a $100 loss on the 16th, and there was a $1,000 loss on the 22nd. So yeah, exactly a month prior. All right, let me take a picture of this so I can show my group. Because I understand when you have a loss, it's not fun, especially a large loss like yesterday, which was, like, depending on how many minis you have, a few $1,000s. But we need to look at the bigger picture, and that's what trading is all about, because we're going to have losses. But the least amount of losses, like, you know, obviously the fewer losses you can have, the better. And I just want to show them that the last loss was no joke on October 22nd. Oh shoot, it's 9:30. All right, I gotta pay attention to the market. All right, it's 9:30. All right, markets are dropping. No surprise there. Oh, thank you. Oh, so sweet. Ooh, NQ is dropping. Oh, God, look at that 50. You know what I need to do? I don't know really why I'm going to look at my long-term holds because it's not going to be good. Ooh, that's nasty. That's nasty. The only positive thing here is that my Amazon leaps will probably be green soon. Like fully green. And then we can get a nice rally. All right, let's see what copper's doing. So copper's probably not going to take a trade. It's not because it's 9:30. So I'm going to remove this strategy and I'll move this tab over to just kind of keep it out of sight. But I like to keep it there because then I can just easily add the strategy on Sunday night going into Monday. I don't think I want a long on AMD. All right, so we're watching NQ 10 minute, YM 10 minute, but both of them are already red, so we're probably not going to get a trade in them, but they're on for the next like 2 hours though. Nice. Okay, cool. So yeah, there might not be a lot going on today. We'll have to see. Maybe NQ range later. We'll have to see. I would love it if the market just turned around later in the morning, like going towards lunch, and had like a big long day. That would be awesome. That would be awesome. Ooh, look at this. And oh, that's a YM chart. NQ's still kind of just like creeping. We'll see. Can YM get all the way up here? Oh, shoot. You know what I didn't do? Put my connection on. So, you know what else I didn't do? Put on my account for AMD. But I'm not really too worried because it is... Well, AMD actually might be okay for this long. Let's see. Let's put this on and see what happens. We'll see. We'll see. Maybe the market's... I'll try to like make a little move. But if I get in this long for AMD, I'm easily going to be scaling out pretty quickly. Wah, bah, 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 bah. All right, we'll see. Nice. Maybe I'll also do 175.
Order filled.
Maybe I should turn this off. It's so loud. You know what I just realized? Something.
Order canceled.
3, 4, 5.
Order canceled.
Nothing's happening yet. I'm just playing around in TD.
Order canceled.
Alright, so maybe AMD doesn't like that. I wish I would have gotten some more leaps. I mean, some more, what are they called? Covered calls yesterday. So, this is when it's boring, when there's really nothing happening. So, NQ's heading lower. YM was acting like it was going to be strong, and now that's heading lower. The NQ range, this would have been nice from overnight, but we didn't get the confirmation, so it didn't take a trade. So we'll just be patient and wait, see what happens here.
Order canceled.
5, 6, and then I have 3 more. Five, 6, 7, 8, one more. I might get this long here in AMD. We'll see. All right. I would love for it to come back up here.
Order canceled.
All right, I am long in AMD.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order.
I'm honestly just selling as it's pushing up here.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Let's see if we get another push here. I have 900 shares left. I already locked up 935.
Order filled.
I have 800 shares left.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled.
I have 600 shares left. I have one sitting right there.
Order submitted. Order filled.
I have 500 shares left.
Order filled. Order canceled. Order filled. Order filled.
All right, so I locked up $530 on that. It easily could have been more, but I'll take it. I'm not looking to see if it's going to come back and touch the back of this trend and then bounce off of there. It might, but with the market uncertainty, I'm okay just taking a few $100s there. YM, nothing. NQ, nothing. So, does anybody have any exciting plans for Thanksgiving? Is anybody going like somewhere really cool, like somewhere warm and tropical? I would like to do that. Down, I can get out of that. Oh, like AMD is pushing back up. Oh, that's fine. I locked up my profit. I am good there. You know what? I might, well, I don't know how much time I'm going to have. Well, maybe we could do it on Friday. If any of you are around from the group and you're around on Friday, I am more than willing to do a like new person setup. Help like any of the newbies, like answer any questions and stuff like that. I'd be more than willing to do that on Friday morning. I'll post it in the group just in case people aren't on this call. Do I want a short? Well, I'd take a short too, I guess. Probably just be sideways. Or move higher, we'll say. I don't know. I don't really know. The markets want to do what they want to do. All right. Sorry there's nothing entertaining to watch today. There's really nothing going on at all. YM does it like, you know, it would need a lot to get up here to take this trade. And Q needs even more for it to get up here and take this trade. So I don't foresee those happening. Excuse me for clearing my throat. This AMD trade is back in the green. Obviously, I'm all out of it, but excuse me. Oh, these hiccups. So I get the hiccups a lot. People always think it's like weird, but thanks, Enzo. Thanks, bud. Appreciate it. If you are new to this channel, oh, why was it retracted? For you to like it and subscribe. I am essentially trying to stream every day. Oh, this AMD trade is now up $1,000. 1,500, 1,700. See how quickly, if you just hang on, it just starts moving. But no, I'm trying to do these live streams every day where I kind of give you a glimpse at the algorithm, how it works, what it looks like when it's in a trade, things like that, how it works over, excuse me, different products. So right now this is up $3,300 on this stock trade. I hope Ida's in this. 3,800, like, holy crap. I gotta smush this down so you can see it all. But yeah, it works over stocks, futures, futures, forex, really any product except for options. This is now up $4,000. Yes, sir. You know what I need to do? I probably need to delete some of those screenshots in there. Pictures, screenshots. Delete. What was that, like 300? I take so many screenshots every day. Alright, cool. Oh, just 5,200 now. Just another day where you could easily make like 5,000 to 15,000 on freaking AMD. I love it. I am so here for it. Sadly, I got out with $500. So, not for me, but maybe Ida's grabbing this $5,000 while while I'm sitting here out of the trade already. What do you guys want to talk about? Have you guys done your Christmas shopping yet? I did a lot of Christmas shop. Well, not a lot. You know, I only have to buy for like one small human. But I have most of my Christmas shopping done, which makes me happy. But I'm typically somebody that gets it done pretty quickly anyway. I don't usually wait until the last minute. But I actually need to return. I was gonna, I had like one video game thing that I was like, I'm not gonna keep this. So I'm gonna return that. I got a bunch of cool like board games and puzzles. Like we love doing puzzles together. And I got some really cool like thinking games. Like there's this one. It has all these little like dog figures and you have to lay them on like this square and they all have to fit. But it will tell you like different dogs to use and whatever. It's so much easier to do it like this. Because he's going to have it anyway. All right. Did I copy this? All right, it is 9:54. Still not a lot going on. I grabbed that $500 from AMD. YM is nowhere near taking a trade. NQ is nowhere near taking a trade. Just kind of have to hang out. If you have questions, feel free to put them in the chat in YouTube. Hey, Mark, if you just want to have a conversation, put a conversation starter in YouTube. I don't care. I hate when there's like dead space, noise, whatever. Silence. So, yeah. December's gonna be super busy. Super busy. But I like busy, so that's good. Thanksgiving tomorrow, and then this weekend's pretty chill. We're gonna put our Christmas tree up, and just hang out. Next week, work, regular stuff. I never know how to just like there, we can do that. Somebody just put entering AMD. Like, we entered AMD 2 points ago. A point and a half ago. Yeah. Speaking of, let me finish this. All right. I don't know why I put my phone down here. I don't think I want the short on AMD, so I'm just going to turn that off. I'm probably good for the week on AMD. Look at that push. It's 10 o'clock. I'll probably stay on till like 10:15. Doesn't look like we're going to get anything in YM or NQ. These do go until 11:40. The range is being built here in NASDAQ. It's nice to see this pushing up a little bit. $77. Didn't I have? Oh, 80. Do. This is so boring. Oh, there we go. I was 1 point away from. It still didn't fill from scaling out of some of these. There were a lot at 80. Well, I guess there's a lot at every point.
Order filled.
Oh, yeah. Ticks are always... What order was filled? Oh, sorry. That was just a carryover from TD. Look at this now. It's a $7,000 trade. So the stop loss, obviously you can make your stop loss whatever you want it to be, but a stop loss for stocks is every tick is a penny. So 500 ticks is $5. So my stop would be a $5 stop. And then then you would just multiply that by how many shares you have. That makes sense. Ticks, when it comes to like NASDAQ, ES, they're all different. Like they all have a different monetary value. So NQ per tick is $5. I think that's also the same as RTY or YM. So NQ, it's $5 per tick. I have this in my informational in my alert room. I can also add it to the Algo group. But so NQ, each tick is $5. That just means, and a tick just means every movement. So different products have different movements. Like NQ and ES move by quarters. So like 25 cents, 50 cents. But other products move by like whole points. So, you know, they just go 1001, 1002, stuff like that. So a tick is just whatever one movement is in that product, that's a tick. But NQ is $5 a tick. ES is $12.50 a tick. Oil and gold are both $10 a tick. Natural gas, silver's like $25 a tick. It's crazy. I think either YM or RTY, one of those is $5 a tick. All right, I'm scaling out of this position that I have with this options trade up like $300. Oh, Tesla's now green. Look at that sexy beast. Look at this AMD long. Yep, sure thing. I hope that helped. Looks like the markets are waking up a little bit here, which is nice. We'll see. If I feel like we'd get close to a trade, I would definitely stay on the stream. A trade other than, like, obviously AMD. Oh my gosh, this trade is up $8,000 now. I'm so... Where is Bo? Well, he has a newborn, so it makes sense that he's not around much. But yeah, you can trade stocks on my algorithm. You can trade futures, forex, anything. So it's real flexible. You just have to, essentially, if you're running something that I don't have in the settings spreadsheet, you honestly just have to do a little bit of back testing, which is really easy, and I give you instructions on how to do that. And then you resemble that comment. What comment? That you have a newborn at home? What? 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 Andy, I need you to be a little more clear with that comment. What? Anyway, point being that if you're like, I really love, like, silver. I don't have a setup for silver. But if you're like, I really love silver, you know, you could work on it yourself. I could help you work on it to find a setup that would be beneficial for that product. So, and like people that really like forex, they trade currency pairs. Like, I never trade currency, but is it something you can do on the algorithm? Yes, absolutely. And the back testing and finding, you know, kind of like the best settings for that product is not hard at all. So if you're thinking about joining, or you have joined and there's maybe a product that you want to set up, just let me know, or follow the steps in this trade is at $9,000. Follow your steps in the helpful info channel, because I have them pinned there. I have like voice messages that tell you how to do it. I'm gonna need to reply to him with this, because my buddy's like talking about an AMD trade. What? And I want to be like, dude, point and a half too late, dude. I don't want to be an asshole, though. And sometimes I am an asshole. I don't know why. It's just in my blood or something. It's just in my blood. I wonder if I should just get out of this. I have one contract left for this options trade I took. What is the comment, Andy? I want to know what the comment was. I still don't know. Hold on. I have Twitter open right here. Where is this? Oh. Oh, it might have been from... Let me tell him. All right. So again, not much going on here. I might just close out this loss at 185. 185. Just lock up that $300, whatever.
Order canceled. Order filled.
All right, so I'm out of that for 285, so I can write that down. Where's my pen? Where's my pen? Oh, look at this level. AMD's coming back under. What's today? The 24th. AMD. $528. And then QQQ. $285. I write my manual, any like manual trade I take, I write it down. And like obviously AMD is not manual, it's the algorithm, but I don't know. It's not kept in the same data field as where like all of my NinjaTrader stuff is, because I have to use my TD Ameritrade account to trade stocks. So I just kind of group that into manual trades. You said, look at that sexy beast. I said I resemble that. Oh, I was talking about my trade. You know what I put on Twitter just now? I said that AMD is bussin' bus. I feel weird even saying it, but it felt cool typing it. There's this guy on TickTok that I watch, and I guess bussin' must be like a common phrase in the young children's world now. But he eats on stream. He like lost a bunch of weight, and then he eats like only once a day or whatever. And I don't know, he's just real entertaining. But whatever he's eating, he's always like, this be bussin'. So I guess it means it's like really good. So I put it in my tweet about AMD. And I don't know if any of the old people on Twitter are going to get the reference. Probably not. I'm probably going to have some 21-year-olds liking it. Oh, we're probably not going to get any of these trades today. Oh, fuck. Wait, you're going to go tanning? I'm going spray tanning. And so, you and Paul, like, y'all are obsessed with tanning. I thought tanning ended, like, 10 years ago. I thought we were all over that, and now we enjoy being pale. Even though my natural pale, I guess, is, like, darker than most, but I don't know. So, I used to tan all the time. Like, in high school, we used to go to those tanning beds and actually lay in them, and now that's, like, so bad for you. I feel like I saw something else on TikTok the other day that was like, this is what kids did back in, you know, like the early 2000s, and it was so bad for you, and I can't remember what it was, though. I can't remember. But yeah, trading today is not going to be good. Today's essentially the last day I'm trading for the week. The last day. So, again, these 10-minute setups run until, I feel like, another hour. So we have time, but I'm not going to sit around and watch them. I'm probably going to go remake a video that I need to do for my new members because it's pretty old. Like, it's like a year old now, and some things have changed on NinjaTrader, so I feel like I need to do that. And then I'm going to let the group know that I will do a Friday call for the people in the group to kind of discuss setups and strategies and how to get everything set up. And if you're having questions, you can ask them then. So I'm probably going to wrap it up here. Wasn't really eventful. I used to own a Tanix line years ago. Oh my God, you probably made so much money. All right. Yeah, I'm going to wrap it up here. I don't think YM or NQ is going to take a 10-minute trade today, and then the range doesn't even start until later, so another 20 minutes or so. Number one, I look a hot fucking mess. You know what I do, Enzo? I roll out of bed and I come to my computer. I make my tea. I'm in like a torn up hoodie. No, you're definitely not going to see my face. Then I'd actually have to put some effort into that. Listen, it's already enough effort to just get on live. To do these live streams, I have to turn off my TD Ameritrade because my computer can't handle that I have up OBS and live stream and my manual alert group trading stuff, and Slack takes up a bunch of space, and then my VPS for NinjaTrader. Like, no, that's going to be a no. And Enzo, you can see my face when you come back in the group and we actually do like live messaging there. You're just like on your own. You're just a rogue trader now because I taught you so well, and it's not okay. It's not okay. So, all right, I'm joking. I'm wrapping it up for the day though. It's 10:15. The only trade I had was this AMD long on the algorithm. Nothing else yet. And we'll be back Monday morning. So no trading on Thursday, no trading on Friday. And I'll talk to you guys on Monday. All right, have a good day. Bye. Oh, and have a good Thanksgiving and be safe because a lot of drunk people drive. So don't do that. Okay, bye.